Every season, resorts like this one rebuild a huge chunk of their workforce in a matter of weeks. Housekeeping, facilities, guest-facing roles, all at once. Standards can't slip just because the team doubled overnight. But there's only so much a supervisor can personally walk through, room by room, hire by hire. That's the chaos, and it repeats every single season. Clyn turns your existing training and brand standard checklists into a guided, photo-verified walkthrough right on the phone a new hire already has in their pocket. No separate system to learn. No guesswork about what done right looks like. Every task is photo-verified before a guest or an auditor ever sees the space. So you're not just hoping standards held. You know. Clyn is already live across 4 countries, built specifically around how hospitality teams actually work, not a generic checklist app repurposed for hotels. Worth 15 minutes to see it against your own onboarding season. We're happy to walk it through with you and with whoever's actually running the floor.
Yes, everything is ready. The VIP arrival will be here shortly.
Let's keep the standard every season.